this product. So let us go with today's topic. Okay, you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
well, we continue with yesterday's point once again. Today is the second day for relations and functions. Well, if number of A is equal to 2, A is a set having 2 elements. B is a set having 3 elements. Number of B is equal to 3. Find the number of power set of A cross B. Who will answer me? Number of power set of A cross B. Can some of you answer before I proceed?
6.
Power set of A cross B. Power set of A cross B. A cross B has 6 elements. How many
2
elements?
raised to 6.
Number of power set of A cross B. A cross B is a subset of A cross B. Power set of A cross B is subset of A cross B. You are right. If A has m elements, it has 2 raised to m subsets. Right? If A cross B has 6 elements, power set of A cross B, that is a collection of subsets of A cross B, that will have 2 raised to 6 elements. That is 64.
64.
Yes. Okay. Let me ask the same kind once again. I want the response. A set A has 3 elements. Read the question very carefully. I will not elaborate the question. A set A has 3 elements. Find the number of subsets of power set of A cross A. Who will answer?
Sir, it is 2 raised to 6 again.
2 raised to
6. Because 3 into 3. Oh, sorry. 9.
2 raised to
2 raised to
9.
9. 3 into 3 is 9. That's why.
If you read the question carefully.
You have to find subset, not numbers.
Earlier was number of elements of power set of A cross B. Here I want the number of subsets of power set of A cross B. Answer me. Of
9.
course. Number of
8.
Come on. Number of
9.
A is,
Madam, 8, 9.
number of A is 3. A cross A has 9 elements. Power set of A cross A has 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to m subset, that is 2 raised to 9 elements for A cross A. But that is not our question. 512 elements for power set of A cross A. But what is the question? What is the question?
You have to find subset.
How many subsets the power set of A cross A has? Here a power set of A cross A has 512 elements. Come on. Do not run away from questions. Power set of A cross A has 512 elements. How many subsets it has? Are you feeling there? Power set of A cross A has 512 elements. How many subsets it has? If this set has n elements, m elements, it has 2 raised to m subset. Power set of A cross A has 512 elements. 512 elements. So how many subsets?
512.
512 elements power set of A has. How many subsets? Come on, 2 raised to 512 subsets. Power set of A cross A has 512 elements. Means you read. Power set of A cross A has 512 elements. If I go on writing its subsets, what are subsets? Its subset. Whatever is that. Any set can have subset. Okay. Is it convinced? Let's go for some examples. Suppose A is equal to 3, 5 and B is equal to 6, 8. Right? Power set of A cross B. Power set of A cross B, you are no doubt. Null set. Here we have A cross B. What is the power set of A cross B? Null set. Right? Further. Single elements, 3, 6, 3, 8. I forgetting? Can some of you go on speaking? Single elements, now 2 elements. 2 elements, 3, 6, 3, 8. Right? 3, 6, 5, 6.
3, 6,
Further,
5, 8.
6, 5, 8.
3, 8, 5, 6.
3, 8, 5, 6. 3, 8, 5, 8.
5, 8. 5, 6, 5, 8.
5, 6, 5, 8. Anything left out? Now 3 elements.
3, 6, 3, 8, 5, 6.
Further, 3 elements. Well, now all 4, and that's all. Power set of A cross B. Power set of A cross B. Okay? Power set of A cross B as 2 raised to 4, that is 16 elements. Now I am going to define a relation. Be careful about, very simply define. Let A and B be any non-empty sets. I want to start with non-empty sets A and B. Any subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. Very simple. What is a relation from A to B? Keep in your mind, what is a relation from A to B? Any subset of A cross B. Maybe null set, maybe singleton set, may contain more elements. At the most, it may contain A cross B, nothing more than that. Are you getting? Any subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. But remember, I started with non-empty sets. I started with non-empty sets. A and B be any non-empty sets. And I am not defining any relation when either A or B is a null set. So for defining relation, both A and B must be null set. R is a relation. R is a relation from A to B. If R is a subset of A cross B, I am calling the set R. Subset of A cross B, I call R. Just English letter R. You may smell it because the word relation. That's all. Any English alphabet, capital letter or small letter can be used here. Right? We write R from A to B. When I say R from A to B, that means it's a notation. You read it R from A to B. That means it is a relation from A to B. It consists of subsets of A cross B. Subsets of A cross B means set of ordered pair XY. Right? XY is a member of R. Then we say that X is related to Y, or the image of X is Y through the relation R. The image of X through R is Y. Image of X is Y. See, image of X always need not be Y, but under this relation, image of X is Y. It is not necessary it is unique. X can have many images. We can also write the same fact like this: X R Y. That means X is related to Y under the relation R, or the image of X is Y through the relation R. X R Y. We also say that the pre-image of Y is X under this relation R. Image of X is Y, or the pre-image of Y is X. Right? Let us write an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Well, how many elements in A cross B? 30 elements. Right? A cross B will have 30 elements. I am not going to list A cross B. A cross B can have 2 raised to 30 subsets. A cross B can have 2 raised to 30 subsets, which include null set, singleton set, right? So many. I am not going to write the subsets of A cross B also. but I'm going to write few subsets. Let R from A to B, R equal to xy such that y equal to 2x plus 1. Well, I have written in a set builder form, or I can write this as, look at xy where y is 2x plus 1. That means when x is 2, y is going to be 5. When x is 1, y is going to be 3. It is not there, don't worry. If x is 3, y is going to be 7. If x is 4, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. It's not there, no problem. When x is 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So this R equal to set of xy, y is equal to 2x plus 1 is written a relation from A to B in a set builder form. The same I have written in the roster form or listing method. Roster form. Any question, please put up. Else I take granted it is followed. The image of 2 is 5. We write 2 5 member of R or 2 R5. Similarly, image of 3 is 7. We can, because 3 7 is a member of R, or we can write 3 R7 and so on. We can say 2 is related to 5 or a pre-image of 5 is 2. Okay. Remember 5 is not related to 2 because 5 2 is not number here. You are saying relation from where to where. Relation is from A to B. Ordered pair, first element will be from A, second element will be member of B. First element will be member of A, second element will be member of B. 3 are 7, 5 are 11. Now the same I can represent using a diagram. Arrow, we call it arrow diagram. We express as an arrow diagram. A and B, the sets written. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. 1, there is no image. 2, 5. Are you following? 3, 3, 7. Now 5, 5, 11. So the same relation which I have written in 3 ways. One is I have written it as a listing method. I have written as a roster form. Here I have written as an arrow diagram. From the arrow diagram, you can easily write listing form also. From the listing form, you can easily write arrow diagram. But to write set builder form, you have to put up your mind what relation we can define like that. Domain, range, and codomain of a relation. If R from A to B is a relation, then the set of all first elements of R. What? The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs of the members of R. The first elements of R is called the domain of R. We call domain of R will be set of X where XY is a member of R. Set of first element X where whenever XY is a member of R, we pick up X. And the set of all second elements of the elements of R is called the range of R. So the range of R is equal to set of Y whenever XY member of R. Understand the basic very clearly. Set of first elements will be domain, set of second elements will be range. And if it is from A to B relation, then B is called the codomain. Right? The only thing what we know is that a range, whatever it comes, will be a subset of codomain. Codomain, B is a codomain. Codomain can be even bigger one also. In the above example, I have written in set builder form, roster form, or arrow diagram. What is a domain? Set of first elements. We can easily find the domain. Set of first element. Domain will consist of 2, 3, and 5. Domain will consist of element 2, 3, 5. Now the range, set of second elements. From the listing method, we can easily write
5, 7, 11.
or from the arrow diagram also 5, 7, and 11. I think I take granted the domain and range is very clear. The domain is 2, 3, 5, that is set of first element. Range is set of second elements, that is here in these examples. Example it is 5, 7, 11. Domain and range of a relation. Codomain, B, no more important. What is B? 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. There is nothing more. That is a codomain. Remember, domain, range, and codomain. Understand it very clear. Well, range will be a subset of codomain. We know it very simply. A relation from A to A. If I have a relation from A to A is a set, I can have a relation from A to A. That we can simply say relation defined on A. When I say relation on A, that means relation from A to A. Right? A relation can be expressed in roster form, can be expressed in set builder form, can be expressed in arrow diagram also. Is it clear? A relation can be expressed in roster form, set builder form, or arrow diagram. Now, my question, suppose A has m elements, B has n elements. Can you tell me how many relations are possible from A to B? Let me not answer it. You answer me. How many relations are possible from A to B? Who will answer?
Infinite, sir, because we don't know the exact number.
No, m and n. When is we can
M into n. M multiplied by n.
What is the relation? It is a subset of A cross B. Relation is a subset of A cross B. I am reminding again. A cross B can have m into n element. A cross B can have m into n element. How many subsets? I am going to the beginning question. How many subsets then?
Two into mn, like 2 raised to mn.
Exactly, 2 raised to mn. A has m elements, B has n elements. A cross B has mn elements. It can have 2 raised to mn subset. That means there are 2 raised to mn relations possible. Be careful, keep in your mind. Now, if it is from A to A, how many relations?
2 raised to m.
A to A is a subset of A cross A. Relation from A to
2
A.
raised to m square.
2 raised
to m square.
Correct. 2 to the power m squared. Instead of n, you have m itself. 2 to the power m squared. Now look at the questions carefully. You answer it today itself. Then only because the relations and functions is a very important concept. Unless it is very clear, there is no meaning in learning mathematics. Remember. So I have covered up only very little topic. But you should understand it and answer it today itself. I'll be sharing the questions to you. If A is equal to xy, B is equal to 1, 5. Write A cross B. A cross B is x1, xy, y1, y5. There are 4 elements. Write the power set of A cross B. You will have 2 raised to 4, 16 elements you have list. Question number 18, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I am writing the relation R from A to B, set of x, y such that y equal to 3x. Right? R in roster form that you have to list. Right? R in arrow diagram. Right? Its domain and range. Remember, understand the beginning, understand the smaller one, the bigger one, difficult one will follow. Understand the easier one, the difficult one will follow. If you do not understand the easier one, or if you ignore that, easier one will be difficult to follow. Again, S is again a relation from A to B, the same A and same B. Set of x, y such that y equal to 4x plus 1. Y equal to 4x plus 1. List S, write its domain and range. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dotted up to 14. Let R from A to A, R equal to x, y such that 3x minus y is equal to 1. Or that is as good as y equal to 3x minus 1. You can go on writing. Write R in roster form, arrow diagram, write its domain and range and codomain. Domain, range and codomain. Further, R from n to n is set of natural numbers. R equal to set of xy where y equal to x plus 5 where x is less than 4. That means you have the choice. X has the choice only 1, 2, 3. You can write this y equal to x plus 5. In roster form, write its domain and range. Codomain is n itself, nothing to worry. Further, a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Why I am including so many questions? You sit and do. I will not cover too many topics, but you sit and do this. 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9. R from A to B, R equal to set of x, y, where the difference between x and y is an odd integer. Put your mind and answer this. Difference between x and y is an odd integer. Difference between x and y is an odd integer. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. R from A to B, R equal to set of x, y, where y is more than 5x plus 1. Y is more than 5x plus 1. Please sit and do it. Write R in roster form. Write its domain and range. Write its domain and range. Few more. Express the following relation in the given form of arrow diagram in roster form and set builder form. To make it in set builder form, you must make a rule by which this can be described. What is the arrow diagram? 1, 2, 3, 2 to 5, 3 to 7, 4 to 9. And your set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Write its domain and range. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 5, 6, 8, find the number of possible relations from A to B. I'll be sharing the question. You must do this by today, then only you can follow tomorrow's topic. We are advancing very slowly, but make sure you understand it very carefully. There is no other alternative. You must make up all those on the same day. You must do the questions. Let me